Ito na yung part 2 ng Escala Hotel stay namin na sobrang excited akong i-share kasi kahit hindi ako morning person or mahilig mag-breakfast, na-enjoy talaga namin yung buffet sa Bellissima. If you haven't seen part 1, we stayed at a cellar premiere room and included na sa rate yung breakfast buffet. More details about our room sa part 1 video. Super laki and semi-open space dito sa Bellissima kaya maaliwalas and presko. May Eroscaldo station, bread station na may mga unique na jams, waffles and pancakes, may fruit station, hot chocolate, and of course, coffee. There's also a cereal station, and yung favorite part namin, pwede magpaluto ng eggs and magpa-customize ng crepes. Sa mga ulam and other cooked food naman, may bistek Tagalog, adobo, tinapa, and tawilis. Ang sarap ng mga yan. The usuals na bacon, sausage, ham, and baked beans. Lahat ng food merong babagayan either kung rice or toast or pandesal yung trip mo. Ang saya lang din kasi habang nagbe-breakfast, ang ganda-ganda rin yung view mo. As in, ito yung katapat ng table namin. Binalik-balikan talaga namin sa buffet yung tawilis nila. And in fairness, maganda din yung